Hello everyone. Welcome to this Insta Live session on all about menstrual cups. Let me quickly invite our guest today. Online, Dr. Meenakshi, you can send me ask to join request as well. I've sent you a request. So welcome all of you to this very interesting session on all about menstrual cups. And there she is. Hello, Dr. Meenakshi. So happy to have you here. Yeah, you need to just adjust the camera because we are not able to see you well.
Okay. Yeah, that should be better.
Yeah. Okay, so welcome, Dr. Meenakshi. I was just telling the audience that why we need to talk about menstrual cups is because don't they want to experience a period which is no rash, no trash, and no cash? And cups are indeed a life-changing experience. And like you and me always say that पहले इस्तेमाल करो and फिर विश्वास करो. So definitely it's a life-changing experience, and audience friends there should know why we need to change, why we need to switch to this life-changing menstrual cup that we have for our menstruation management. So without wasting much time, I think we'll straight away dive into the topic. Let me just briefly introduce Dr. Meenakshi. She has a very, very impressive CV. She is the lady behind the menstrual cup revolution. I won't be wrong if I say that. She's the founder of Green the Red NGO. She does tremendous work for waste management, and she's also very passionate about menstrual hygiene and menstrual waste management. So welcome, Dr. Meenakshi. Thanks for accepting my invite to join this live.
Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. As gynecologists, you and I, Vaidehi, we want our women to be happy. And since we spend 2 months in a year having periods, we need to be happy during those 2 months. Agar hum 2 months happy rahenge, baki 10 mahina, we will really enjoy. So I think it's our responsibility to tell all women, doesn't matter where you work, what you do, that you need to change to using the menstrual cup. जैसे अभी हम इंस्टाग्राम में बात कर रहे हैं, उसी तरीके से पहले तो इंस्टाग्राम थी नहीं, अभी तो it is so common and all of you are so heavily into it. हम भी menstrual cup को change करेंगे. आप, मैं तो नहीं change कर सकती क्योंकि मेरी menopause हो गई है. पर उसके बारे में हम बात कर सकते हैं, है ना?
Yes. So let's start with our session right away, and we'll ask, I'm going to ask very basic questions, and I'm sure by the end of this session, all of you will have all your doubts and queries solved, and you'll not have any fear regarding menstrual cups. So quickly, what are menstrual cups, Dr. Meenakshi?
So menstrual cup is this little 2-inch thing, which is a cup basically made of medical grade silicone. Yes. Which collects the blood. So this is the model of the uterus, and this we put inside like this, and it stays in the vagina, and blood comes out of the uterus, the cervical canal.
Can you take it a little up? Can you take it a better?
Yeah. Falls into this. When it falls into this, it collects. So what is lovely about using the menstrual cup is you never feel wet. नहीं तो अगर मुझे पीरियड्स आती थी और मैं आपके सामने ऐसे बैठी हूँ पैड लगा के, तो जब ड्रॉप 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 ब्लड आता है तो ये ड्रॉप 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 पैड में बैठता है और मुझे गीलापन पता चलता है. वो गीलापन is something that is not nice. So this way गीलापन बिल्कुल नहीं पता चलता है, and we are totally forget that we are having our periods. So this blood collects here, and this has a capacity of 3 disposable sanitary napkins. आप सोचो 6 घंटा, 12 घंटा, 18 घंटा, ये 18 घंटा हमको इस्तेमाल चेंज करने से पहले हमको चेंज करना चाहिए, होने से पहले. But just imagine, you forget your periods. Has there ever been such a situation in the last 60 years where a woman has forgotten that she's having her periods. That is the magic of the menstrual
Magic.
cup.
Absolutely. It's a magic. Totally. So now that we know what are these cups, these are made up of silicone, which are medical grade, not a plastic that I want. Yeah. What is it made of?
So it's not plastic. May look like plastic to you, but it is made of medical grade silicone. Plastic अगर आप पकड़ोगे तो वो it is not pliable. This is absolutely pliable, and this is a rubber like material, but medical grade silicone. तो हमारा हार्ट स्टेंट, हमारा कैथेटर्स, जो भी इक्विपमेंट अभी हम मेडिकल इक्विपमेंट यूज करते हैं, वो सब it is made of medical grade silicone. So आप without any fear you can use the menstrual cup. It's not going to produce any harm to your vagina, to your body, or to your whole self. So this is just a receptacle that collects the blood and it stays inside the vagina. कैसे हम अंदर लगाते हैं और बाहर निकालते हैं, फिर से बात करेंगे. But this is truly the revolution that women wanted. And if the gas cylinder has produced a revolution in the kitchen, this has produced a revolution during our periods, in our
Yes.
bathrooms,
Absolutely.
and the fact that we don't have to spend money on pads month on month, every month.
That brings me to ask you that why we should switch to a menstrual cup. With the statistics about menstrual disposable pads and the benefits, why do you think we should use them? Why we should make the switch?
Why we must make this switch is because this cup costs you 500 rupees and this cup will last you 10 years. 10 साल अगर आप इस्तेमाल करेंगे, 500 rupees है, तो हर साल आप 50 रुपया इस्तेमाल करेंगे, हर साल, not every month. Now when we buy disposable pads, every month we use 50 to 100 rupees. So पैसा बचता है, comfortable इतना है कि मैंने पहले ही बताया, you forget you are having your periods, and the other thing is बिल्कुल बास नहीं है, no smell and nothing to throw. ये कप को धो के, और बैंगलोर में वाटर शॉर्टेज है तो लोग बोलेंगे कि ये कप धोना बहुत मुश्किल है, बट ये आधा कप पानी से धुल जाता है and you can put it back again. No soap, no detergent, खाली सादा पानी अंदर डाल दीजिए.
Yeah.
Now,
But why they should stop using the menstrual pads which are disposable? The sanitary napkins.
इतने गुण हैं. I don't want to say, the fault. The point is that the pad industry has made the pad very thin. But to make the pad very thin, it has to be plastic. 95% of the pad is made of plastic, and that plastic is sitting so close to the vagina. तो वो प्लास्टिक से हमको ब्लीच किया होता है, पैड सफेद होते हैं. It's sitting so close to the vagina, ये फ्यूम्स जाके dioxins and furans बोल के आते हैं, and it changes the cells of the cervix and makes them susceptible to HPV virus. HPV virus gives us cervical cancer. So one, we don't want that. Two, the rashes that we get because we're wearing the pads on our thighs, we get rashes. मुझे याद है, 36 hours of duty, I would have changed my pad probably 4 times, and in spite of changing the pads, my thighs would be rubbing so much that रोना आता था. पर किसको बताएं?
जितने लोग आज अटेंड कर रहे हैं सबको ये एक्सपीरियंस होगा. तो
मत यूज कीजिए. दिस इज wonderful. I wish I was young like you, Vaidehi, where I could be using this menstrual cup. But mere uterus ko, I can't give it an, punarjanam and say, let me have it so that you will produce periods and I can use the menstrual cup. So, mera uddesh hai ki you people who are young, who are menstruating, will not miss out this wonderful menstrual cup.
Yeah,
and have
don't
them
miss out.
full. Correct.
Also, menstrual cup, one menstrual pad, one disposable menstrual sanitary napkin is full of plastics and, as you said, chemicals. So one pad, I believe, has plastic, what, 4 plastic bags?
Correct. 4 bags.
Yeah,
4 plastic bags worth of plastic in one disposable
one
pad.
disposable.
So आप सोचिए
कितना
कि ये कभी नहीं जाएगा.
कितना
Yeah,
और one pad will take around 500 to 700 years to get decomposed.
it won't decompose. It
It
will only
won't
become
decompose.
microplastic.
Will still.
और फिर वो आपके सॉल्ट में आएगा, आपके सब्जी में आएगा, आपके फिश में आएगा.
Microplastic सब जगह है.
It will come back to us only. And then our body is already beginning to be, full of microplastic. तो आप सोचिए क्या हालत होगी हमारे अंदरूनी हिस्से की.
And in India alone, I got the statistics. In India alone, the menstrual waste which is being created by women because they bleed every month is around 9,000 tons per day. That is a staggering number. So if you are creating so much of waste only in a day in India, imagine the amount of menstrual waste that we are creating because of the natural physiology that we have in our body. So that is really very shocking and a number which is very scary.
The amount of waste that we are producing is like one Mount Everest every month.
One Mount Everest, yeah, that's the correct symbol.
Mount Everest every month.
Scary, yeah. Okay, ma'am. So now tell me, who can use the cup?
So I would say every woman more than 18 years can use the cup because she's an adult and she can make this is an adult choice. The cup has to be inserted into the vagina. So the women who are married are the low-hanging fruit. They can use it because when they have intercourse, this goes inside, So if this goes inside, this can go inside without any fear. औरतों को घबराहट होती है कि ये कप कैसे इतना बड़ा जाएगा. तो पहले तो ये इतने एक ही नींबू साइज का है यार. नींबू इतना ही होता है और ये साइज नींबू साइज ही है. और अगर इसको हम प्रेस करें तो अभी ये एक या तो मूंगफली साइज की होती है या तो डेट साइज की होती है. अभी डेट साइज से हमें कोई घबराहट नहीं है ना, इतनी छोटी चीज अंदर जा रही है. और एवरीथिंग इज अ प्रैक्टिस. हम डॉक्टर एक दिन में नहीं बने. हमको 10 साल प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ा. फिर देन वी बिकेम डॉक्टर्स एंड केपेबल ऑफ डूइंग ऑल दीज थिंग्स. सो ये आपको 3-4 दिन में आपको आदत पड़ जाएगी अंदर डालने की और निकालने की. निकालने हैं तो just put a finger
we'll
there.
show them. Yeah, we'll show them
it out.
Yes. So even virgins, even virgins can use this cup.
They can. So every virgin, every child, girl child has a hole in the hymen. The hymen is not closed. अगर hymen closed होता so we would not all attain menarche and bleed. So there is a hole already there, and when we put this inside, that hole becomes slightly larger. अगर हम cycling करें या jogging करें या long jump, high jump करें तो वो hole जो hymen में होता है वो थोड़ा सा बड़ा हो जाता है. उसी तरीके से ये कप लगाते वक्त वो होल बड़ा हो जाता है. पर हम कभी भी बोलते हैं पहले माँ इस्तेमाल करो फिर बेटी को बोलो, क्योंकि you have to guide the baby as to how to insert it and how to remove it. So,
but I do have, Dr. Meenakshi, a lot of young girls who are not sexually active, but I've made the switch and they're extremely happy about the switch and they've not been sexually active. So they can very easily use it. It's just a matter of being motivated to do that.
Correct. So that's why. So by 16, you understand that there are others who are of your own age who are using it, and you make brave. ये दिमाग में जो घबराहट होती है, remove the fear from your mind and use this. And once you have used it, you'll never go back to the disposable sanitary napkin.
Never. Yes, I agree. So coming to that, they decide to make the switch. Now, how should they choose the cup? Size, shape, stem, without stem. how should they make the choice? They are not sure.
So basically, you need to choose a medium size cup. You don't have to choose a large size cup because the vagina is flat. The vagina is closed when there is nothing inside. So when you put this cup inside, the vagina will open only that much. अभी आपको दिखता है
Yes.
vagina खुल गया है and it's this cup size. So medium size cup is perfectly fine.
Okay.
There are lots of cups in the market. The stem wale cup is a carryover from the tampon. Tampon में एक दुम होती थी, इसलिए में भी एक दुम लगा दिया है. पर दुम लगाना, दुम को खींचना नहीं चाहिए. दुम के ऊपर जाके you need to press. तब vacuum seal खुलता है. So
Correct.
you have to do that correctly. You can't do it wrongly. So vacuum seal निकाल के ही आप इसको बाहर ला सकते हैं.
So size, shape, yeah. So size, medium size, no
medium
soft, rigid, hard, anything that they have to look for when they buy a cup.
So to start with a medium sized cup. Soft one is only for a young girl who is 16-year-old क्योंकि ये थोड़ा सा rigid होता है. पर अगर आप athlete हैं, you're doing marathon running or you're आजकल cricket, all the women are playing cricket.
Yes.
So unko they need to use a hard cup because vagina has muscles around it, and the muscles, if they are strong, they will compress the cup and then there will be leaking. So there is a Newton's law, equal and opposite reaction. Okay. So that equal and opposite reaction ke liye you have to check it out. But shuru karte waqt, medium cup, made in India, made of medical grade silicone,
yes,
without a stem is ideal because stem hai to chupega, niche aayega, it won't be inside the vagina.
Correct, correct. So even for virgins, they should have medium size cup, which is soft.
Everybody.
Everyone. So size does not matter.
It has to go inside. So पहले soft ले लीजिए और फिर 3-4 साल के बाद you can go to the medium cup.
Yes. We can come to this where they can buy it now. Let's straight away go to how you should insert the cup. The techniques, yes, of using the cup.
For me, the technique, that is the punch down technique. मतलब कि ये त्रिकोणा करना है.
ऊपर.
It's an equilateral triangle.
Nikita. Yeah.
Equilateral triangle. You press one side and press it
Dr.
down.
Meenakshi, थोड़ा center में लीजिए. Yeah.
Okay. I'll go to the side.
That's going at the side.
Yeah. So you press this down. Now this is the size of a peanut or a date, and then you insert it inside. Punch down, I like it best because this is the smallest size. You can do a U-shaped thing. This is larger. So this is ideal for women who are married or women who've had babies, because जब delivery करते हो ना, आपका बेटा या बेटी का सर बिल्कुल एक नारियल का साइज होता है. तो वो अगर आ सकता है तो ये छोटा नींबू साइज अंदर जाने में कोई मुश्किल नहीं है. Anything else, the 7 and all that, I'm not fond of it. I'm only fond of the punch down.
The simplest one to use.
This is the simplest to use.
So just show us the breadth, I mean the diameter when you just use the punch down technique.
So this is the punch down technique.
Yeah.
You put it in and now it is less than a centimeter in diameter. This
less smaller than a date maybe.
Yeah. Absolutely. And then you can apply a lubricant in the beginning. Now, don't try inserting the cup when you're not having your periods.
Correct.
Don't do it at all. You must have it. And ideally, the first time that you're using it, use it on the second day of your periods, not even the first day of your periods.
Initially.
No,
as a beginner.
There is no blood in the vaginal area, so there won't be any lubrication. So the simplest lubrication is always, I say, it's always available. Coconut oil is always available, though they say that you need to use a water solvent lubricant.
Water-based lubricants are available now.
Yeah. So it can be used without any problems.
So initially start on the second day. Slowly then once you get the hang of it, you can start using from the day one, right?
From the first day
Yeah. So
itself.
that's how you insert it. So once you insert, what actually happens? How does it? How is it leak proof? Then what happens inside?
So it goes inside and opens up. And you don't have to check whether it has opened or not. If there is no blood that is leaking, obviously it has opened up and it is, sealed. The vagina ke saath, it forms a perfect seal, so there is no leak. Two, you don't have to worry about, checking it out. Chhod do. If there is no leak in 6 hours, it means that it is open and it is doing its job.
Correct.
Okay.
So if it
The
leaks, if they've inserted and it starts leaking, they have that leakage. And should they do? What is going wrong while inserting?
So while inserting, if you put your hand inside and this round surface is not seen, it's bent a little bit. So turn it around. Thoda sa turn
Just rotate.
karoge,
Yeah.
and then the pressure that is there, it will open up. So this sort of a thing won't be there. But
Okay.
ideally, so many women we have taught them, and they all don't have a problem. It's the more you think about it, the more you worry about it, and the more you then have a problem. But otherwise, laga do, bhul jao, and think about it 8 hours later.
Right. Okay. So that's about insertion. अभी निकाले कैसे? Tell us the techniques of removing, and if there is difficulty in removing, what should they do?
So removing it, imagine that this is a 3D thing. You just put one finger inside and press it. When you press it, there are small holes on the top and the air is released and the vacuum suction is released. Then with your thumb, you just pull it out, and ideally do it in the bath area of your bathroom. Agar ye cup gira to bhi, it will fall on the floor of the bathroom, and then you can wash it with water and put it back. So in the initial phase, everything about the cup is to be done in the bath area of your bathroom, not over the toilet.
Correct.
Till you get used
Not
to
on the pot.
the hang of putting it in and removing it. Okay, that's one. Two, don't worry about any infection. The vagina is full of bacteria, and all good bacteria. 99% of the body has bacteria which are good bacteria.
Yes.
So don't worry about you putting some infection into this.
Inside.
Actually, कोई infection आती नहीं है, घबराइए मत, and use it without any problems.
True.
So the nice part of the menstrual cup is that the bacteria is on the outside of the cup, and the blood that goes inside the cup is actually sterile. There is no
It's a body
smell
fluid, so it's sterile. Yeah.
There is no smell when you remove. The blood does not undergo any change. In
True.
the pad, the blood undergoes the change because the bacteria plus the blood comes and sits on the pad for 6 hours. And then what happens is the bacteria feed on the blood and multiply. And when they multiply, they produce stinky gases, which is normal, which is why our stools are, smelly. So the same way, this is there, and it will absolutely have no problems, no infection. So infection ki dar bhi nahi hai, because
Correct.
the blood sits inside
the sterile blood. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, but अगर वो डाल दिया और अभी निकाल नहीं पा रही है, वो patients become the women become anxious and अरे मिल नहीं रहा, कहाँ चला गया, अंदर तो नहीं चला गया, अब मैं कैसे निकालूं, ऐसा जो एकदम fear और anxiety होती है उनको. So if they find it difficult to remove the cup, what should they do?
So पहले तो anxiety नहीं होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि ये dead end है, यहाँ से ऊपर नहीं जा सकती और मुंह से नहीं निकलेगा, तो यही रहेगा. So that is one worry that you should not have. This is a dead end canal, right? So कहीं और नहीं जा सकता. The other thing
रहेगा, अंदर body के अंदर नहीं जाएगा पक्का.
Body के अंदर कहीं नहीं जा सकता है. The other thing is that you sit, like you are squatting on the Indian toilet, and bear down like you are constipated. If you are constipated, दम लगा के करो बोलते हैं ना, तो वैसे ही पुश, हाँ, जब पुश करोगे तो वो नीचे आ जाएगा, and then you can get it and pull it down.
So
The other thing
first of all, relax, squat, and push, like how you would when you have constipation.
Correct.
And then you will be able to feel it. And even then, if you're not able to feel it, just visit your doctor. She'll help you with it.
Yeah, visit your doctor, but what you do is
नहीं पड़ेगा ये करेंगे तो.
Once in 8 to 10 hours you need to remove it. मतलब कि अभी और 2-3 घंटे हैं. Go and have a nice relaxed bath. When you have a nice relaxed bath, your muscles that were tight like this will loosen up.
Correct.
When they loosen up, ये automatically नीचे आ जाता है.
Correct.
So don't worry about it.
Correct.
Just allow your finger to reach the base of the cup. That's
Correct.
all you need to do.
So it's only there in the vagina. Women may not worry कि कहाँ चला गया, वो vagina में ही है. Just relax करके निकालना है. So is there any position that you would recommend while inserting and removing? Is there any position, comfortable position for women?
Basically, जब भरतनाट्यम डांस करते हैं ना, आप लोग दोनों पैर, you do a namaskar and your legs are out like that. That way, the space in the vagina is released. So you can do that. Or if you are, using the Western style toilet, just put up one leg up on the chair and one on the ground, and then you are relaxing the muscles. You will be able to insert it without any problems. So squatting is the best position.
Okay.
And for Indians, we all know squatting without any problems.
Yes. So squatting or one leg on the pot, one on the ground. Correct. And the other is the Bharatanatyam pose that you said. So all these three positions are comfortable. Now another very controversial topic. How should I sterilize it? Do I have to boil it, wash it with antiseptics and use it?
So basically आपको याद रखना है कि जब हम इंटरकोर्स करते हैं, हम अपने पार्टनर को गर्म पानी से नहीं धोते या सोप नहीं लगाते हैं. तो सोचिएगा, if you think about that, then you will understand that ये कप को गर्म पानी से धोने की जरूरत नहीं है, सोप लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है, कोई बॉईल करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Just wash it with plain water. Don't use any soap because the discharge in the vagina is acidic. अगर आप वो एसिडिक को सोप लगा के अल्कलाइन बना देते हो तो तब इन्फेक्शन आएगी. अगर इन्फेक्शन नहीं आनी है, let the bacteria stay there. Just plain water and nothing that you need to do. Don't use any corrosives. Dettol की जरूरत नहीं है, कोई भी corrosive की जरूरत नहीं है. We need to keep this cup nice and smooth so that the bacteria doesn't stick to any of those crevices. So keep the cup absolutely smooth.
So you empty the cup and wash it with plain water. Do you need to dry it with a tissue paper or something? You can put the wet cup inside.
Put it back.
Okay.
Use the water acting as a lubricant and put it back immediately. Don't wait for your bath to get over. Then you will have blood that will come down and blood which will leak. And then you will say, अरे कप मेरा कप नहीं काम कर रहा है. वो तुम्हारी गलती है कि आपने 10 मिनट गैप दिया. डालो, साफ करो और immediately वापस डालो.
But once your periods are over, then what do they do after that? Till the next period.
So once your periods are over, you then wash it, then dry it, keep it outside maybe for 5-10 minutes, or dry it with a cloth, and then put this into a dabba. We have found people who are living not in a pakka house, but people who are living, and there are lots of rats around the place. Ye rats, they find it very convenient to bite on it. So एक steel dabba या plus metal dabba में रख लीजिए और keep it after it has dried. Don't keep it when it is still wet.
But nowadays cups come in a box, right?
Yeah, cups come in a nice box. I'm sorry,
lovely, good looking boxes. Yes.
It comes in very pretty boxes. And the thing is, where do you keep this cup in between periods?
बताइए.
आप जहाँ ज्वेलरी रखते हो वहाँ रखो. मेरा तो यही advice है. Keep the cup in its box, in your jewel. Oh, thank you. मिल गया. ये ऐसा वाला
Yes.
डिब्बे में आता है. And
Correct.
keep it here so that it will not get lost. अगर आप कबर्ड में ऐसे ही डाल दे तो क्या हो जाता है? Between our 100 saris and 100
Yes.
salwar kameezes, it will all get lost. And when you
Lost.
get your periods, you won't find it. So
Yes.
you don't, again, one cup only. You don't have to buy 2 cups because
Yes.
you're not boiling it. Just 1 cup, more than enough. एक मंगलसूत्र, more than enough. एक cup, more than
More
enough.
than what, 8 to 10 years.
Yeah, for 10 years
Yeah,
at least.
like you said, मेरी एक पेशेंट मुझे हमेशा बोलती थी कि मैम मैं अपना मेंस्ट्रुअल कप मंगलसूत्र से भी ज्यादा संभाल के रखती हूँ. So जो आपने सिमिलर दिया. So in between periods also again wash with normal water, no need of boiling, no need of a soap, dry and keep it in a box, right?
Correct.
Okay. So that's one thing. Now, is it really difficult to use a cup? What difficulties can a woman face by using a cup?
So basically there is no difficulty. पहले अपने remove the fear from your mind.
The fear is here.
Yeah, the fear is only here. There is no fear down under.
Okay.
So don't worry about it. And the space around the vagina is actually expanding. It can expand very beautifully.
Yes.
So basically I'm asking all mothers who are married to use the cup. Once they have used the cup, then they can explain to their daughters कैसे इस्तेमाल करना है. And while talking to a lot of people, I was talking and this nurse turned around and said that मेरी बेटी ने मुझे बताया, मम्मी तुम कप इस्तेमाल करो, मैं इस्तेमाल कर रही हूँ. You need to have comfortable periods. Yes. So the whole thing has turned over, and yes, now our children are actually telling us, please use the cup.
True. Correct. So is there any condition when women should not think of using a cup? Any set of women who should not use, or any problems in women when they should not use a cup?
I don't believe that, women can have prolapse of the uterus, because young menstruating women have strong, support
vaginal muscle tone,
and hardly anybody meaning one in 100,000 will have a little bit of prolapse. So this 3 inches of vagina is always available to us. So really, there is no woman who can't use it. But if you have delivered and this coconut sized head has come down, this vagina will have expanded and can't hold the cup. But मेरी बेटी को elective cesarean section हुआ दोनों दफा दोनों बच्चों के लिए, and there was no expansion of the vagina. So she was using it on the very first day because it's very uncomfortable to wear cloth pads also. This is far more comfortable than the cloth pads. Okay. So only those who have not gone into labor, have had an elective cesarean section, they can use the menstrual cup post-delivery.
Correct.
But otherwise,
and those who had pains or had vaginal delivery, when can they start using the cup?
They will start using the cup once, after 6 weeks. 6 weeks. When the 6 weeks, 6 months, when you get your first period after you have stopped feeding the baby.
Correct. So minimum 6 weeks. And another fear in women's mind is कि वो blood cup में collected है, वो उल्टा मेरे uterus में चला जाएगा और body में जाके endometriosis होगा. Is it right? Is it yes, the fact?
So वो अलग भ्रम है. So if you are wearing a pad and you are sleeping, the blood collects in the vagina when you are sleeping, right? So when you get up first thing in the morning, suddenly there will be a rush of blood. तो अगर भगवान ने सही तरीके से नहीं बनाया था, ये cervical canal only allows blood to come out, doesn't allow blood to go in. So when it doesn't allow blood to go in, whether you're wearing a cup or you're not wearing a cup, blood will collect in the night there. The nice part of wearing the cup, any direction, पेट पे भी any problems. So if you are, understand that then it makes your periods all the more comfortable. Correct?
Correct.
And
Correct.
yeah,
Yeah.
तो कभी नहीं अंदर जाएगा. So
The
you
body
don't have to worry about
is
it.
made in such a way that blood will never go retrograde, which has come out.
So
True.
endometriosis cannot be produced. The other thing, other scare is that अगर कुछ अंदर नहीं जाता है तो मैं pregnant कैसी हुई? So the semen sample is deposited in the vagina, and the sperms, which are 5 microns each, छोटे बिल्कुल छोटे, they swim up through the cervical canal, go through the uterus to the tube, meet the egg, and then come back and settle down as a pregnancy. So it's the 5 micron sperm that can climb up, not the blood,
Not the menstrual blood.
the semen sample that comes out.
Another fear: how can I pee when the cup is inside?
How can I
Pee.
So
How can I pee? Pass urine.
3 different passages: the urethral passage, the vaginal passage, and
I'll
the
show you the
anal
picture.
passage, not connected with each other. So she will show you the picture, and you will understand that this is sitting in the middle passage, not hinging on anything.
Correct. I am just getting the pictures so that we can show them. Till then, tell me, is this cup enough if the woman has heavy periods?
Absolutely. So one pad holds 5 ml of blood, and through your periods, 4 chammach blood, tablespoon blood is all that you pass. Even if you have heavy periods, you will have 5. So you need to understand that this cup holds the equivalent of 3 pads. Matlab ki 5 into 3 is 15 to 20 ml it holds. When it holds this much of blood, don't have to worry. और वो भी 12 घंटे में. आप अगर आपको लगता है कि लीक हो रहा है, तो through this hole, can you see there is a small hole?
Yes.
That hole, there'll be a serous discharge, slightly pinkish colored discharge. हाँ, slightly pinkish colored discharge होता है. वो जब आने लगता है, तो you know that you have to go to the bathroom and empty the cup out and wash it and put it back again.
Correct. So it's fair enough. They can change the cup every 6 to 8 hours, and they have to like customize as per their needs, right? Okay, I was just going to show the picture. When they said the P, they need to understand that there are 3 holes. This is the urethra, which is separate from the vagina. Vagina is here, and you put the cup here, then urine is going to pass urine from here. So there are 2 different opening, 2 different passages. So there is no need to worry. How will I pee? Okay, can the woman? Yeah, please.
That's another nice part of it. You don't have to remove the pad to pass urine. You don't have to remove the cup to pass urine or stools for that matter.
Also, can a woman with fibroids and endometriosis and prolapse, can they use menstrual cups?
By the time you get prolapsed, you are menopausal. So, सवाल ही नहीं पैदा होता है. Those who have fibroids and endometriosis, it is nothing connected to the vagina. It's connected to the uterus and the ovaries. So you don't have to worry about it. So वो अलग भाग है. हम खाली, we are collecting the blood only in the vagina. So it's no problem at all.
Not at all. Even with prolapse, how do they manage with prolapse? Because there is the cervix is descended down. So how do they manage with prolapse? Is there any specific that they have to follow some instruction, like any precautions that they have to take, not instructions? Any precautions in patients with prolapse and they're bleeding? We do get younger patients sometimes.
Yeah. So what is that menstrual, the new one that has come?
The disc.
The disc.
Yeah.
The menstrual disc probably is something I have no experience with it.
Yeah, we don't have it.
Maybe the menstrual disc is something that you can use if you have a prolapse. But like I said, normally with a prolapse, you will be menopausal. So
most of it.
These two don't go together.
And also, you've already clarified that it will not cause prolapse as well, even if it causes a vacuum or a seal with the vagina.
It's not sitting stuck to the to the cervix. It is sitting in the uterus, I mean in the vagina, and there is usually a gap of about a centimeter between the top of the cup and the mouth of the uterus, which is the cervix.
The last query that commonly the patients ask me is, can I use it when I have an IUCD or a Copper-T inside the uterus? So can she use this cup with IUCD or the Copper-T?
Absolutely. We all know that using the keeping an IUCD and the thread is sitting in the fornices, there is
Yeah.
absolutely no problem. So
Yeah.
this cup doesn't produce so much of pressure that it will
Copper-T
pull
will
it
come
out.
out.
When we remove the Copper-T pulling on the thread, we know how much of pressure we apply. This amount of negative pressure is not
It's
there
not
with
going
the
to pull
cup.
it down.
It's not going to.
Also, you can see the uterine cavity is here. The Copper-T is sitting inside the uterus, whereas your cup is inside the vagina. So there's no way to interfere with that. Yeah. And
Correct.
lastly, tell me one thing, Dr. Meenakshi, where are these cups available? How should they choose the brand? Size, shape, you already explained. How to buy, which brand to choose, and where to buy? The commonest question, because we still don't find them available in pharmacy shops.
The pharmacies are still not keeping it because you will buy it once in 10 years.
Correct.
But हम फ्रिज भी once in 10 years खरीदते हैं ना, तो फ्रिज का दुकान अभी हो गया है, आप देखो, और एक साल में these cups will be available in all the pharmacies also, because there will be a demand which is created.
True.
Now, where is it available? It's available online. Please buy the cups that are made in India. Don't buy the cups that are not made in India. This
Correct.
needs to be medical grade silicone, not food grade silicone. And ideally buy the ones without a stem. Okay?
Ideally,
This has a better this thing. So go to the ones that are made in India, find the cup and go to their website and buy it directly from the website.
I believe your website, Green the Red, has all the details about all the companies who manufacture cups, right?
Yes.
So all of you,
it is available.
You can go on the net and look for Green the Red. And on the website,
Yes.
you'll find loads of information about cups, cloth pads, where they're available, and then you can just move on to their website and check out the details, right?
And order for it.
So these are the questions that I had to ask you. There is one question. She says, I'm a little surprised. She says she needs to remove it frequently and empty the cup. I need to empty my cup every 1 hour on the second day. What do you have to say?
So when you are removing the cup every 1 hour, see how much of blood there is. If the blood is only this much, that means 1/4 of the cup, don't worry about it. Leave it for some more time.
Correct.
Yeah, you know, anxiety creates that requirement to remove it every hour. The cup can't be full up till there, is it? It's not possible.
So she needs to, lady, you need to just check your cup once you remove it, how much full it is, and then you decide the frequency.
Correct.
Because we've really not heard someone who has to change it every 1 hour. That means huge heavy bleeding that you may be having, which is unlikely. So
then you're
check.
going to become anemic.
Yeah. Yes. So that means you need to consult your doctor why you have such heavy periods. But
Correct.
Generally, I don't think that's a possibility. Yeah, I don't see any more questions. If you have any questions, quickly drop in the comment box. We'll be happy to answer them. Even after the session, when you're watching the recorded live, you can DM us there. You can post in the comment section. We'll be answering all your questions even later. So
we'll be happy to support you.
This lady who said she's using, the one who asked us about she has to change it every 1 hour. She says she is using the cup from Piramal, if you're aware.
I don't know.
Yeah, so she's also saying that it's full every hour. That means she is bleeding around 20 ml of blood every hour, which makes it 12 hours, even if you consider 12 hours and leave the night aside. So that is 12 into 250 ml blood loss in one day, during the day, not the night. Looks unlikely. You must consult your gynec and get yourself checked. There's one more question, Dr. Meenakshi.
Have an ultrasound and check what is happening.
Why you have such heavy periods. Yeah, you must. There's one question from Nidhi. She's asking you, tell once again the size of the cup. Tell us once again about the size.
The size is a medium size. You don't need a small size. You don't need a large size. Medium size is fine. The vagina is 3 inches. This is 3 inches and the cup is 2 inches long. So it fits very comfortably without any problems.
Okay, so size is not a problem. Even for virgins, they can opt for the small size but a soft cup. There are 3 variations like soft, medium, and hard,
medium
right?
And hard cups.
Yeah, and hard is only for the athletes. Soft is for the virgin, sexually inactive girls.
Correct.
Okay. All right. Any more questions? Let me just quickly have a look. No. Is there anything that you want to tell us as a parting message till the time I just look up for all the questions once again?
So first of all, don't worry about infection. Don't worry about urinary tract infection also. The first time that you use it, yes, you may be touching the urethra, but that's all. Uske baad, it goes straight into the vagina without, impinging on the urethra. So don't worry about infection.
Yeah.
And basically, if you understand the comfort, अमिताभ बच्चन बोलते हैं ना, पहले इस्तेमाल करो फिर विश्वास करो. So आप पहले इस्तेमाल कीजिए, फिर विश्वास आएगा.
So this lady was already using the cup. She's asking you that her teenager daughter who's just started menstruating recently, she's around 14 years of age. तो उसको कैसे किया जाए motivate and switch menstrual cup के लिए?
14 years, she's a little young. Let her go 2 more years. 2 saal, let her use the cloth pads that are available. Very beautiful, pretty looking cloth pads are available that are as
I'll
good
show them quickly. Yeah.
Disposable sanitary napkins जितना पकड़ता है उतना ही खून लेता है. And you can then, she will herself then say, Mummy, I want to use the menstrual cup, because menstrual cup is far more comfortable than even the cloth pad.
Yeah, but she's saying she's scared of using the cup and even the cloth pad because she doesn't have the time because of the hectic school schedule. So please clarify that about the cloth pad, whether time is really required.
No, just soak the
Look
pad.
At the beautiful cloth pads that are available nowadays.
Yeah.
All with wings
just soak,
and with a leak-proof cover behind.
Yeah, correct. Absolutely. Soak the pad for 10 minutes in cold water, then squeeze it out. All the blood will come out. Wash it like you wash your panty or your uniform, and then hang it out in the sun. You can't, how can you say?
As well. So they can carry a clean cloth pad inside this pouch.
Correct. Very easily.
Yeah.
So
it goes in easily. They can keep it in their school bag.
Yeah. 2 minute time nahi hai bole to, where are you going? As a school girl, you should be having the time to enjoy yourself a little, to take care of yourself. मेरा me time करना है. आप लोग धोने के लिए, पैड धोने के लिए टाइम नहीं है बोले तो, what are you doing? I don't know what you're doing.
So she can carry a clean pad here, go to a washroom in the school and keep the soil pad here inside. Use this again, put it back and just put it in a school bag. No one would come to know. Once she comes back from school, just dip it in cold water and scrub it dry. Wash it with little mild soap and dry it. They just need to dry it in proper sunlight. That's the important thing about cloth pads. Again, Nidhi is asking us, where are these cloth pads available? Please visit Man's website, Green the Red. You will get all the information that you need for cloth pads and cups. There are lots of websites which are listed on the website of Green the Red, and you'll get all the info. So you will find where you'll get the pads.
Absolutely.
So, she's saying she comes back from school at 3, then goes for extracurricular activities. So she would get scared. So you will take some time to counsel her. She'll take little time to get converted to a cloth pad. But it will eventually happen. You just need to tell her what difference she can make by doing away with the single-use disposable sanitary napkin and switching to a cloth pad. So if you explain them well,
the cloth pads are much more comfortable than the disposable sanitary napkins.
They don't have chemicals. They don't have plastic.
Yeah.
Yes, so all those benefits as well. All right, I think we are done with the questions. So it was such an interesting session, Dr. Meenakshi. It's so much fun talking with you about menstrual cups. And you are the one who motivated me to start talking about it 3-4 years back. And like you said, it is using menstrual pads had been the bane of my life. And unfortunately, I also became menopausal, and I lost the opportunity to use cups for that period of time. And I had to use disposable napkin. I feel terrible about it now. So thank you so much. It was such an interesting session. बहुत मजा आया. सब queries solve हो गई है. If anybody has any question, I'm again requesting all of you to drop the questions in the comment section when I save this live on my profile, and of course on Dr. Meenakshi's profile as well. So it's been 50 minutes, Dr. Meenakshi, that we are live here.
I know.
And we always think we'll finish up the live in 15 minutes and go, but it never happens that way, because yours has been always a very, very interesting session, and we love talking to you. Yeah,
Thank
this lady knows you. She says, I know Meenakshi ma'am, and I have myself switched my lifestyle and have no dustbin except the monthly pad for her daughter. Isn't that wonderful?
Absolutely. Great. Thank
Great.
you so much, Vaidehi, for
Thank you so much, Dr. Meenakshi, once again for accepting my invite to be here. And if there are any questions, we'll answer all of them. Drop them in the comment box. Okay, it's time to say goodbye. Bye. See you all soon.
Bye,
and
everybody.
make the
Thank
switch,
you for
guys.
being there.
Make the switch. Switch to menstrual cups or cloth pads. Thank you. Thank you once again. Bye bye.